Hi everyone, welcome back to Legs Down on YouTube and our latest site arrival video, which features Harrogate Caravan Park located near to the Great Yorkshire Showground. And I need to say a big thanks to Bob Earnshaw for the footage for this one. I'll put a link to Bob's YouTube channel below. Make sure you check it out and give him a subscribe if you haven't already. There's a lot of useful content there. Nice straightforward one, this one, no narrow country lanes to worry about. The road you need is the A661 and that's easily reached from junction 47 of the A1M via the A59 and A658, although we're actually approaching from the opposite direction. Right, this is our turning coming up here. It's into Railway Road and it's signposted Yorkshire Event Centre, and you'll see a very large Sainsbury's on the corner there too. Once you've made the turn, it's just under half a mile to the site entrance, which will be on the right hand side. And here we are at Harrogate Caravan Park. There's a total of 66 pitches, a mixture of hard standing and grass, all with electricity. Motorhomes, caravans, tents are all welcome. The site is open from March until October and free Wi-Fi is offered too. Thanks once again to Bob for supplying the footage, and thank you to you for watching. Please give us a like if you can, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.